In this video, I'll show you how to share a Google Slide presentation with your classmates. This semester, we're going to be working a lot in groups, and we're going to do several group presentations, so this will be a very important skill that you will need to know how to do. So right here on the sidebar, you'll see your entire presentation, and once it's made, or before it's made, if you want to collaborate with your classmates, you'll simply come over here, press share, and you can type in all of your group members' emails. So pretend that we're sharing it with Rebecca, and if you would like, you can add a note. And after you've finished filling that in, simply press send, and you are good to go.